Hi everybody, welcome to a new video. Today we're going to see how to fix this error which says warning, open content failed to open stream, permission denied in that and that. So this is something if you are dealing with an online or live server content, you should, or website, or any program, you should go talk to your hosters to give you something like those permissions. But even I'm facing this on the local machine, and I'm trying to see if we can try to do this. So because it talks about permissions, let's try to do this first. I'm gonna go to your terminal and set terminal, and I'll get it. What our second thing to do is gonna be to go to the place they are telling us, and we open this. After that, we look for the line. This is the line 1 2 3. You can see file, open, content w. It didn't work out, so this is the CSV. Trying to do that on the CSV. So now that is okay. So we've seen everything. So let's try to sudo and say sudo su, and we enter. After, it's gonna ask us for the password. We put in the password. After getting that password, we're gonna copy our message, all of it. I like copying the message and paste it on my text pad before we move out. Okay, we've seen that. So what's gonna be next? I'm gonna copy this line and say copy, and since I'm sudo here, I wanna say sudo still chmod minus capital R 777. Okay, after 777, and I'm gonna paste that and I say enter. I'm pasting that same line. After entering, let's see, try to see. We refresh and we still have the same problem. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna go to do the same thing here, and I say sudo and I say chmod, and I say minus R 777. Then I'm gonna put this. Let's see. Okay, that was done. I'm gonna recall the command and I delete this and I enter, and I'm gonna recall the command and I delete this and I enter. After that, we're going to try and refresh. Wow, you can see all the commands I've run, they've helped me, and now there is no more conflict on that. The only thing I did, it was to only to give permission to those folders. You saw the image, the word. Our problem was warning, open content failed to open stream, then say permission denied in this. So now we are dealing with a local machine, but then if you come to the problem of whereby you have a live server, that could mean that you're going to talk to your hosters to give you permissions on that specific file, or to give all permissions to all those two folders. But if you're running a local machine, you can run all the commands I've run to see that everything works properly. First one, you're gonna go and run a command which says sudo chmod minus R capital R 777, then the address to the file which is having the problem. After that, you go to line 2 and say sudo chmod capital R minus capital R 777, and then say var /ww/html, say enter. Then you go to this third line, which is gonna be sudo chmod minus capital R 777 space /var /www/ enter. Then you go to the last one, it's going to be chmod minus R 777, R is capital R /var, then you go to / and say enter. Only that helped us to give us permissions to each and everything, then we don't see the error anymore. I'm using PHP my admin, and I'm also using what they call Apache 2. I'm using Apache server. But if you find this same problem maybe in Windows or in any operating system and you're working offline, just know that you have to deal with your permissions. In Windows, you just have to click on those folders on the root folder of where you put the files, and when you click on that, sometimes they say, okay, let me show you something. You can click like on the folder like this, it says properties, then you go to permissions. After going to permissions, then it's gonna give you change permissions. Like in Windows, it's not the same, but it will show you. I'm just giving you some tips. You go to change permissions. After changing permissions, you're gonna give that to 777 each and every thing. Read, write, execute. I'm sorry about that. Read, write, execute, read, write, execute, read, write, execute. People from the Mac operating system, I really don't know much about Mac, but just know that this issue is related to your permissions. People from Kali Linux, you're gonna use the same commands which we have used in Ubuntu. So those two operating systems, Kali Linux and Ubuntu, they work hand in hand in some of the things like commands and all that. You get me? So if there is some operating system I haven't explained about, also please just know how to give full permissions to the folder, to the file, and everything in it, so that you come out of that stressful problem. So that was it. That's the way we did manage to fix that. And now I only have the error code. These commands, I'm not going to put them. I'm thinking of copying these commands. I'll give them to you. Okay, let me copy them. I might put them to you. I'm gonna arrange them for you because it's necessary also to, maybe you might not be able to see on the screen, then this gonna help you. Let me delete all of this and delete all of this and delete all of this and also delete all of this. Okay, these are the commands when you go to your terminal. And another thing you have to know that, okay, here up you must change your file. I'm gonna say your file.php, your file .php. Then here gonna be any folder you want, so you can see what I'm trying to do. So after getting that, I hope you're gonna be fine. I'm gonna drop this for you, and I don't think they're gonna be a problem. Sure guys, and everything is done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and also leave a comment if this helped you. Please subscribe. We really cry for subscribers. We want to grow our channel as big as we can, and if you subscribe, you really motivate us, and we do work like nobody's business, because once you subscribe, it pushes us to do more and more and more and more, because the channel has what they call the fans, the supporters, you understand. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. You're gonna find everything in the comment box below. Bye bye.